Hello friends, welcome to Yash Touch channel. I am Yash. Today I am making video for inspection type 04, that is goods receipt inspection against production order. This inspection type is useful in finished material and semi-finished material. After completion of finished good, we want to check result for that particular material. So let's move to our quality inspection chart where I will explain you in details. As showing on the screen, this inspection type 04 is good receipt inspection against production order. Its functional area is production. Some prerequisites is needed for generating inspection type 04, and this prerequisites is nothing but inspection plan and MIC. Uses 5, that is good receipt, and status 4, that is release for general, is needed in inspection plan for generating good receipt against production order. This inspection type is purely stock relevant. The sequence of transaction step is as follow. First, we want to create production order. Then we want to issue against that production order. Then we want to confirm all the operations of that production order. Then we want to good receipt for that production order. After good receipt, this inspection lot generated, then we will do result recording, usage decision, stock posting. The application area for that inspection type is for semi-finished material and finished material. So friends, let's move towards our demo session. First thing, I will maintain quality management view for finished product. So here I am selecting quality management view where I want to mention inspection type. So here I click on inspection setup. Here I maintain inspection type 04, that is final inspection at good receipt from production. So I will check whether all business transactions properly fetch here or not. So all these business transactions are okay. So now I want to save the finished material. My next step is to create BOM. So I had created BOM for that finished material. So I will show you. This is my finished material, this is my plant, and this is uses as a production. So this is my bill of material. Next step, I want to create routing for that particular finished product. So T code for creating routing is CA01. So I had already created routing for that particular material. I want to show you in my routing. I'm uses 1 for production, status 4. In my routing, I use operation work center Hydra, operation 10, and control key PP01, and only one operation I use for that particular routing. So my next step is to create inspection plan for finished product. So T code for creating inspection plan is QP01. I had already created inspection plan. This is my finished material and plant. Here I am using uses 5, that is good receipt, and status 4, because I'm doing good receipt against production order, and then I will do stock posting. I click on operation. Here is I uses control key as a QM01 because inspection characteristics require business transaction activated for that control key. Then I will click on inspection characteristics where I maintain MIC as a vernier and sampling procedure sample 1. Then I will check for consistency. There is no any error message, there is no any warning message, so my inspection plan is okay. So my next step is as showing on the inspection type chart. First, I want to create order. So T code for creating production order is nothing but CO01. Here I put finish material number. Here I put plant and order type PP01. Here I put my quantity. Here I put my date. Enter. Then I click on good receipt. In good receipt, I maintain finished product storage location. And as you show on the screen, the stock type is quality inspection because we maintain quality management view and inspection type for that particular material. So here, after confirming good receipt or after good receipt, the stock is moved towards quality. Next, I will check my operation overview screen. Here is only one operation. Next, I will check component overview screen. Here I maintain raw material and batch for that particular raw material. Then I want to release my production order and save it now. So as showing on the screen, my next step is to goods issue production order, confirmation of production order, and good receipt of the production order. So meanwhile, I will show you stock requirement list for that particular finished material. Here execution takes place, it takes some time, no problem. Okay, so in stock requirement list, I am refreshing it. So now this is my production order of 5 quantity. So as you know, goods issue process. Now I will move direct towards confirmation process. So this is my finished product order. This is my production order. So now in next screen, I will confirm or I will T code for confirmation of production order is CO11L. Here I put my finished product order number. Here only one operation is come because we use only one operation. I select it, click on actual data and save this order. Yes. Okay, this is costing error, no problem. Now my confirmation is completed. Now my next step is to do goods receipt against that production order. As you show on the sequence of transaction step, next step is good receipt for the production. So now T code for good receipt against production is MIGO. Here I put my production order. So my production order number is 703191. Here I check all the quantity where is properly processed or not. Quantity is okay, location is okay, order data is okay, batch is okay. Here I put my header text and post this document. So document posted. Now in my stock requirement list screen, I will refresh it. So when I refresh it, there is quality or QM lot generated. This QM lot generated of 5 quantity. So now my next step is to process this inspection lot. So T code for inspection lot generation is QA0, QA32. Here I put today's date here plant and execute. Yes. So my inspection lot is here with status release sample costing required. So meanwhile, I will show you stock of that particular finished product. So in MMBE, I will put finished product and plant. So my current stock is in quality. And after doing result recording and stock posting, this stock will move towards unrestricted, but currently is in quality. So my next step is to do result recording. So I click on result. Here I put result for that finished product. Yes, I refresh it. When I click on refresh button, the status will change. Now status is result recording. Now I click on users decision. In users decision, I will select appropriate code, UD code, and I click on inspection lot stock where I put my total quantity to unrestricted and save that result. So after refreshing, the red indicator or red light is turns towards green light and system status is changed. Yes, system status is changed to UD. Now I will refresh my stock requirement list. So as you show, this QM lot disappear here and stock will increase by 5. Now current stock is 3 and increase by 5 means available quantity will 8. So now I will refresh it. Yes, available quantity 8 now. Now I will move towards stock overview screen. Here my stock is in quality. Now after refreshing this stock move towards unrestricted with same batch. So now I will refresh it. Yes, my stock will move from quality inspection to unrestricted use. I will also show you moment type. The T code for showing material document or moment type is nothing but MB51. Here I put today's date. Yes, and execute. So here for quantity 5, you see there is one moment 101 mean good receipt and moment 321 means stock is moved from quality to unrestricted. So this is more about inspection type 4. This inspection type is most important inspection type. Next time I will make video for inspection type 05. Meanwhile, you like this channel, subscribe it and share it. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.